Today I want to experiment with two different types of taking off biogel nails at home. One that is mostly recommended is to soak it in acetone and wrap it in foil. The other option that I found is to use the nail drill. I would like to compare the two processes and see which one works better. Let's assess my nail situation. I'm going on week 5 with my nails. As you can see, they're outgrown a lot. Plus 2 of them broke. This tip fell off. Some of them are glued multiple times. Like this poor guy, you could see it's been glued 3 times. And this guy actually was the first one to break. The tip fell off in the middle of the street. I picked it up and glued it back on. Hashtag classy. So for this experiment, I have cotton pad, foil, acetone. That's the first step that I will do. I think all the girls know about this option. You take the cotton pad, soak it in acetone. There we go. I'll apply it to one of the nails that doesn't have any glue on it to make it a fair game. And then I'll wrap it. Okay. There we go. Pretty basic. Okay, so I'll leave this guy to soak. Next, I will use the tool that I purchased on Amazon. It's a no brand name. Comes like this, just a few particles to it. So you get the machine, you get the USB port that you need to plug in. There we go. And it comes with a little set. There are 6 drilling bits and 6 sanding bands. I'll try one of the bigger sanding bands first. The speed is adjustable. The machine itself is very basic. Actually, first I'm gonna file the top coat of my biogel. It's highly recommended to make the drilling easier. I'm using just a cheapy little buffer. So basically taking the shiny top coat off, and that should make the drilling process faster and easier. Okay, so it goes from shiny to matte. Now we need the power. Okay, let's do this. Woo! By the way, the sanding band looks a little bit used because I tried it on one of my toenails where I have shellac and it worked magically. And now it's time for the biogel. Okay, I'm putting it on the highest speed. Ooh, that's a little messy. Hate the smell when you take off any kind of fake nail. Woo. You need to be careful and not drill on the same side too many times, because the closer it gets to your nail plate, the more there's a chance that you will hurt it. I haven't seen my real nails in, over 3 years. This is very time consuming. At the salons, I guess their machines are way more powerful because this process goes way faster. I can see it working, it just takes a long time. I really like the shape of these nails and I got used to them. It's very fierce and edgy. But sitting at home for so long and not being able to go to a salon, I had to find a solution. And the solution is to say goodbye to my beautiful pointy nails. Okay. Okay, so I took off, kind of most part of it. Okay, I'm gonna clip the tip off because underneath there's my nail, which is looking real weird. So I'm just gonna clip this see-through part off. Whoa! Flying nails. Caution. Okay. My nail. Oh, and now it's kind of peeling off, but there's still a thick layer. You can see. Okay. Guess I need to keep drilling. My oh my. Okay, you know what? This is taking forever. I want to try another bid. There are quite a few of them. I'll try the smaller one. Maybe it will help take this off faster. At first it's a little bit scary to use this machine because it seems like it's gonna hurt you or cut your skin. But even when you slip and it goes over your skin, nothing happens. So, see, one part fell off. So, I mean, I got a cheaper version of this machine. I didn't want to splurge, so maybe that's why it takes a little bit longer. Okay, so let's assess the situation. Yeah, so I can separate it from my nail, but I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna put too much pressure to pull it off. So I'll just keep drilling. I think I prefer the thicker sanding bend. Just want to find the best way to get rid of biogel nails at home without hurting your nail. Because let's be honest, when you take off fake nails, your nails are paper thin no matter how much you care for them. Whoa, I'm done. Yes, it's completely off. So, you see? Look at this. This is what I mean by paper thin. And my nails, my natural nails, are very strong. And look at the color underneath, it's so discolored. Okay, so after about 5 minutes, I finally was able to take off the layer of biogel. The machine does give you a little tingly feeling and you need to be careful using it. But it's not hard work, it's just time consuming. Now let's take a look at the nail that I soaked in acetone and see how it's doing. Okay, the moment of truth. So about 5 minutes, maybe 10. So this is my problem with the acetone. I literally need to scrape stuff off and I don't like this process. I don't like the sound of it and how it feels. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna follow the same suggestion and file off the shiny coat. Maybe that will help to take off faster and easier. So it's completely matte and I'm gonna do the same thing again. I'll soak the cotton pad again. Okay. Off it goes again into the foil cap. And while I will work on my other, how many survivors do I have? I have another 4.5 to go. Then I'll check back in with the acetone and see how it's doing. It's been over 20 minutes. I'm completely covered in, oh, this didn't do any good. Covered in nail dust. I took this hand off. It looks so sad and small. And now I want to take another look at the acetone soaked nail. Okay, so it's not flaking off because usually shellac would flake off and it would be so easy to take it off. But this one, I feel like I'm just hurting my nail plate so badly because I'm digging in with this nail tool and it's quite sharp. Like, this doesn't feel nice. This doesn't feel healthy. I think I'll stick to the nail drill. It feels nicer to do it and it feels healthier, and that's my goal today. Back to the nail drill. Left hand is done. That took about a good half an hour. Now it's time for my right hand. I'm a righty, I'm not a lefty, and it's really complicated. Even just filing, it's challenging. Let's see how the drill will work. How do you hold it? It's awkward. Hold on. This is when I realize I would totally pay money for it. For someone else to do it for me. Wow. It's very uncomfortable. I just don't know how to hold it properly. Oh, this is gonna take an hour. Getting tired of this dust flying everywhere. On that note, when you're planning to take your nails off with a drill machine, don't wear your nice outfits. It's not worth it. So I have a new strategy. I basically work only on the nail going from the bottom up, and I don't touch the tip because I will clip it anyways. Ta-da! I'm all done. All 10 nails are gone. I'm back to my real nails. I haven't seen them in over 3 years. They are paper thin, and the whole process was a little bit longer, a lot longer than I expected, and it's a lot messier. So look at me. I'm covered in this nail dust. My workstation is a mess. What now? I took off my nails. They haven't been exposed to natural environment in over 3 years. I need to protect them now. I have 2 tools that I purchased on Amazon, and by the way, all the products that I purchased on Amazon that I'm using today, I will link in the description. First product that I have is the Duri Rejuvacote. It's a nail serum polish. It looks like a nail polish, it smells like a nail polish, but it's a very strong serum to help grow your nail and rehabilitate them, especially after you take off fake nails. It's an amazing formula. I know this brand personally. I'm very familiar with it. I've used it before when I had natural nails. You can use it in combination as a top coat and base coat, or you can follow the procedure that the company suggests. It's basically a whole week of application of Duri nail polish. First day you apply 2 coats, and then every consecutive day you apply 1 coat. You do it for a week, and then you take it off with the regular nail polish remover. And you continue doing it every week. Guys, you won't believe the results. They're actually mind-blowing. I've used this product for many years. I stand by it. And another thing that I wanted to point out, this company been in business since 1990, so they've been in business for 30 years. And that's something that's very comforting to me, because that just speaks volume. They know what they're doing if they're doing it for 30 years. So Duri Rejuvacote, highly recommend, great product. Not the cheapest, comes at 25 bucks per bottle. However, I did see another deal on Amazon, 2 for $40. So if you live with roommates, or you have sisters, or you live with your mom, and all of you guys want to invest in healing your nails, this is a great product. Next items is hair, skin, and nail gummies. It's by Nature's Bounty. It's incredible. I prefer to chew my vitamins instead of swallowing a pill. They're delicious. They have a fruity taste to them. I've been taking these gummies for many years. I always knew that biotin is very healthy for women, but I never actually looked into it. I never knew what it stands for. For those of you that don't know, biotin is a part of B family. It's also recognized as B7 vitamin, or sometimes called vitamin H. It helps to make your hair glossier, your skin glowing, and your nails stronger. Biotin can be found in many different foods like cooked eggs, nuts, nut butters, cauliflower, spinach, avocado. There are many different types of foods that contain biotin, but in case if your diet doesn't allow you to take biotin in food form, you can definitely take it as supplement. Bottom line, biotin helps the body to convert food into energy, and it's a great supplement to include in your daily health routine. Guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, if you think that I missed any step, or you have recommendations for me if I ever have to do it again, I would love to hear about them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you and you got to see step by step of saying goodbye to my biogel nails. I actually went through a whole separation anxiety, but now they're gone and I need to make the best out of it. Once again, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be releasing my first Amazon must-haves very soon, so stay tuned.